Welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Proverbs 26, verse 20. Without wood, a fire goes out. Without gossip, a quarrel dies down. A fire will keep going for as long as there is firewood. And the more firewood you put in there, the bigger the fire will be. But if you want to put out the fire, remove the firewood, friends, and the fire will die down. And so we're told today, the same thing with quarrel. If you want the quarrel to stop the gossip, and it will die down. And so the better way then, friends, to stop a quarrel is stop talking. Because words can aggravate the situation. It serves like a firewood. Yes, the quarrel can be very intense, friends, but the moment that you stop talking, it will die down. So, control your tongue. The better way to settle quarrel is zip your mouth. Don't talk. Let them talk. They can keep talking, friends. The other party can keep talking. But in your case, stop talking and the quarrel will die down. Yes, if you want to win an argument, stop talking. Don't argue. Just listen. Because fool keeps blurting out words, friends. They keep talking, hoping that you will respond. And then your response will be used again as a firewood to the argument. And so if you don't provide any word, there is no firewood. And because there's no firewood, the fire will die down. Yes, no matter how intense that argument is, friends, the quarrel, if there is no word being uttered, eventually it is settled. Because they will look at themselves as if they are fools talking to no one. They keep talking, but there is no response. So eventually they will stop. But for as long as you are responding, friends, it won't stop. You try it. You try it. Go get into an argument. And then you suddenly stop. And the argument will stop. And because there is no more firewood, the other party, friends, will stop. And eventually they would realize their own error. They are given the time of self-reflection. That they are actually wrong. The only reason why they are reacting is because of the words that you keep feeding them. And so without you giving those words, friends, they will stop. They will have a time to self-reflect. Just to realize that they are on the wrong. So the better way then, friends, to win an argument, again, we are told today, friends, without wood, a fire goes out. So don't provide. Don't allow yourself to be used by the wicked one, friends, to aggravate situations so that the argument will never stop. Yes, people kill each other because of arguments, friends. It starts very small. It's a small fire. It starts very small and eventually it gets out of control because there are so many firewood being put into there. There's so many words being uttered. And it's hurting people. And eventually they kill each other. And how did it start? It's more words. They were unable to control their tongue. Remember that tongue is powerful. It can kill people, friends. It has the power of life and death. It can bless, but it can also kill. And therefore, use your tongue to bless. Use your tongue to give life to others and not to curse and not to argue for nothing. And eventually, people lose their lives because of their inability to control themselves. And so, friends, today, again, how do you win an argument? If you're about to argue with someone, or if you are in that situation of friends, that there is a quarrel, stop talking. Don't provide more firewood, and the fire will die down. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance on you and give you His shalom. God bless. See you next time. Bye.